Let PP, QQ and RR be 2-digit numbers where P less than Q less than R. If PP plus QQ plus RR is a 3-digit number ending with 0, consider the following statement. Number of possible values of P is 5 and Q is 6. Which of the above statement is or are correct? Here PP is a 2-digit number, means P should be 1-digit number. Then PQ and R all are 1-digit numbers. All are 1-digit numbers. And here P less than Q less than R means all these PQ and R are different numbers and R is the greatest among PQR. Here we can ignore this tt0 because this might leads you to a confusion that all these PQR and T as different numbers because of this different letters. But this is not correct. Here PQ and R are different numbers because P less than Q less than R, which is clearly mentioned in the question. So we can take PP plus QQ plus RR as 3-digit number ending with 0, which means here P plus Q plus R is unit digit is 0. P plus Q plus R unit digit is 0. And R is greatest means if I give R as 9, then Q can be 8 and P can be 7. So maximum possible value is 24. But we need unit digit as 0. So maximum possible value of P plus Q plus R is 20 and minimum value is 10. So take sum as 20. Then possible values are, take R as 9, then P plus Q should be 11 and here P should be less than Q. So possible values are 3 plus 8 is possible and 4 plus 7 is possible and 5 plus 6 is possible. Other values are not possible. Now if I take R as 8, 5 plus 7 is 12, which is possible. Other values are not possible. Now take R as 7. P plus Q should be 13, which is not possible because 6 plus 7 is 13. 7 we already taken. If I take R as 6, P plus Q should be 14, which is also not possible because 6 plus 8 is 14 and 7 plus 7 is 14. These two values are not possible. So with the 20, possible values of P are 3, 4, 5 and Q are 6, 7, 8. Now if you take sum as 10, possible values are, here R cannot be 9 because P plus Q should be 1, which is not possible. And R cannot be 8 because P plus Q should be 2, which is not possible. So take R as 7. So if R is 7, P plus Q should be 1 plus 2. And if R is 6, P plus Q should be 1 plus 3. If R is 5, P plus Q should be 2 plus 3 or 1 plus 4. Now if R is 4, P plus Q should be 6, which is not possible. Which means possible values of P here is equal to 1 and 2 and possible values of Q is equal to 2, 3 and 4. Then here P values are 5, which is correct. So statement 1 is correct and Q values are 3 plus 3, 6, which is also correct. So statement 2 is correct. Option C is your answer. Both the statements are correct.